Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can redirect a domain to another domain. So here you can see this domain is redirected. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now for this video, we will be redirecting this domain. As you can see, it is currently not going anywhere. In order to redirect the domain, we need to access the FTP or the cPanel. Let me quickly log in to the cPanel and enter the credentials. So we are on the cPanel. After adding the domain to the cPanel, a folder will be allocated to your domain. So I will access this domain's folder. Go to File Manager. Go to public_HTML and locate your website files. So we are inside the folder and is currently empty. Now for the redirection, we will create an index file. For that, click on File and give the name index.php and create a new file. So here is the file. Right-click on it and click on Edit. Edit again. Now here we need to add a small PHP code. Here is the code which will be provided. We will need to copy this code. In Location, change the website URL where you want to redirect. So I want to redirect this domain to letslearnwordpress.com. I will copy the domain and replace the domain name here. Now, copy the code and paste into the index file we created and save changes. As you can see here, I have not installed WordPress or anything. It is just using this PHP file. So let me refresh this domain. As you can see, it is redirecting to this website. Let me try again. So it works. So this is how you can redirect a domain to another domain. Thank you very much.